Welcome to the Urban Survivor channel, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the new TI tape measure from TEC Accessories, which has a titanium body, which is one of the smallest, lightest, and most durable tape measures I've ever seen, making it perfect for EDC or keychain carry. This would be an excellent tool for designers, carpenters, architects, or anyone else who might need to measure small items on a daily basis. I want to start off by thanking TEC Accessories, who sent this out to the channel for review. TEC Accessories makes a ton of different high-quality EDC gear, and if you want to learn more, you can check out their Amazon store, which I'll link to in the description below, along with the link to this tape measure. Alright, so inside the box there's a tape measure, a clip, a small keyring, and an Allen wrench for attaching the clip. To attach the clip, all you have to do is remove the screw and cover, place the clip into the groove, put the cover back on, and screw it in, and you're good to go. The TI tape measure weighs just 22 grams or 0.78 ounces. And it has a 1.24 inch diameter and a 0.38 inch thickness. And here it is next to a 6-foot Milwaukee, a 12-foot tape measure, and a quarter for scale. The tape measure itself has stone-washed grade 5 titanium housing, and the tape has markings for imperial and metric units, and it has a max length of 3 feet or 1 meter. The markings are black on a white background, which provides plenty of contrast so it's easy to use. The spring steel tape is also replaceable to help ensure that you get a lifetime of service from it. The clip also spins, and being able to attach it to your keys is a nice feature in case it's important to always have a tape measure with you. One thing I did notice about the TI tape is that sometimes the tape would get stuck while retracting, especially when it's pulled out to larger lengths, and I would have to bump it a bit to feed it back in. However, the more I played with it, the smoother the action got, and I found it getting stuck less and less. Overall, I really like how compact and durable this is, and if you need to incorporate a small tape measure into your EDC in your pocket or on your keychain, you're not going to find one more compact and durable than this. The stonewash body is really nice, and it will keep the TI tape looking brand new no matter how you use it. Let me know what you think of the titanium tape measure in the comments below, and if you want to pick one up, there's a link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Urban Survivor channel for more videos like this one.